All right, we're out here in the field today. My name is Rodney Hake, Engineering Manager for Great Plains Tillage Group, and we're out here to introduce the new CT8300 Flex-Harrow. A lot of new features on this we're excited about. Biggest thing, right away you're going to see the big heavy frames. Went away from the stacked frame, still kept a narrow frame, but went to big heavy tubing. We got 4x6 on the smaller units, 6x6 on the larger, and then the big units we got 6x8 inch tubing. Went to big 6x6 box frames on the wings with support beams behind that as 5-inch tubing. We got new and improved hinge design where we went to the maintenance-free hinges, went away from the grease zerks. We expanded the width of the hinge so we get more support for the wings. And the big advantage of doing that and being stronger there, we get rid of the cable system that we used to support the outer wings. So cleaned up the whole unit, makes it fold easier, don't have to mess with the cables. We got new improved rest areas for the wings to fold into, simple transport pin lock. Another big feature on the new CT8300 is the walking beam setup, okay? We went to standard walking beams versus the single tires, gives us flotation, also gives us improved transport. And then we went to also an improved tire on the outside gauge wheel, and that tire can actually be used as a spare tire for the transport if you did have a problem going down the road. As far as the hydraulics on this unit, it's going to be the same as the old ones, where it's a single hydraulic system operating both the lift and the fold. So you got one set of outlets on the tractor or behind your host machine. As far as the drags on the back, big feature this year. Okay, we went to 1.5 inch longer teeth. So you got 1.5 inch more wear, and then you also got more clearance between the drag bars and the ground, gets you through more trash. So two features built into one there by going to the longer teeth. We're offering 8-row and 16-row. We got the multiple sizes, like I said, from 18 foot all the way to 60 foot. We also got extension packages that'll get you every inch or 1.5 foot more if we needed to add, so we can match up to any host machine you may have. So if you want to pull an 8-row package behind a host machine, we're going to match up to anything out there. This is the new CT8300 from Great Plains.